In this video, we are going to learn about how to download and install the OWASP ZAP application security software on the Windows operating system. So come on the Google Chrome and type here OWASP ZAP, download OWASP ZAP for Windows. Click on it. This is the first link for downloads. Click on the download ZAP, scroll down and click on this installer, Windows 64 installer. Click on it. It will install. It will download the ZAP application. So go to the download folder over here and click on save. So the downloading has been started. It takes a few minutes to complete. Let's wait for a few minutes. The download is going to finish. 3 seconds left, 2 seconds, 1 second, and now it is finishing the download. Just download going to complete. Let's wait. Yeah, it's completed. Now we will install this installer. Okay, so double click on this, so it will start installing the software. Just we will see what is asking for the installation. Let's wait. So it is asking for locating the JRE, so we will click on it and we will specify the JRE path. So first of all, I will check Java installed or not. Java -- version. So it is installed. So I will check where is Java. So it is inside the open program files, open logic JDK bin Java. Okay. So here it is. So let us copy this path. Now specify this path. Okay, click on it and this is the bin folder path. Okay, open. Now it is starting setting up the application. Click on yes button, click on next, accept the license, click on next. This is the standard installation. We are not installing the custom installation, so click on next and click on install. So it is started the installation. Now let us wait for a few minutes. It is completed and finished. Now open the ZAP software over here. So we will search ZAP. So this is the desktop application. It is coming now. Click on it. It will open the ZAP software. So that is used for application security, web application security. So let us wait. It is initializing the application because we are using it first time. So it is loading the softwares and program files like this. So let us wait for a second, for a 2-3 seconds. So click on allow access if it is asking for the open JDK platform like binary. Okay, click on allow access and this is the option to select the ZAP session. How we will select? So the first option is yes, I want to persist this session with the name based on the current timestamp. Okay, so click on it and start. Okay, and so the session is created. Okay, so if you want to start the scanning of the website, so we will click on automated scan over here and we need to provide the HTTP URL of the application. Suppose we are going to scan w3schools.com. okay, so we are going to scan this website. So just we need to copy this base URL. Okay, and put the URL over here and just click on attack. Okay, so the scanning has been started. Over here we will see all the alerts, whatever the vulnerabilities are there. So it will show over here in the alerts section. So these are the vulnerabilities like coming like X content type options, header missing, like cookies, no HTTP only flags. So these types of vulnerabilities are being shown over here. I think this video is helpful for you. If you like the video, and do like, comment and subscribe to my channel for the latest update. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.